Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a real treat for you. We're diving deep into the world of smart speakers to bring you the ultimate top 6 list of 2023. If you're in the market for superb sound and smart functionality, you won't want to miss this. For all the details, check out the links in the description below. Let's get started. The Amazon Echo Studio. This beauty is not your run-of-the-mill Echo, it's Amazon's first venture into the high-end speaker territory. Picture this. 330 watts of pure sonic power packed into a singular device that is also a Zigbee hub. Oh yeah, we're in the big leagues now. This powerhouse is versatile, to say the least. If you're an audiophile, this device will hit a home run with its quality, especially when paired with Amazon Music HD. But what really steals the show is its home cinema capabilities. Imagine having 2 of these bad boys set up for a movie night. While it's not a dedicated surround sound system, it's a close second and impressively loud. There are some considerations though. First off, the Amazon Echo Studio isn't exactly compact. It demands its own space, so those with limited room might find it cumbersome. Second, to truly unlock its potential, an Amazon Music HD subscription is recommended. But when you weigh the pros and cons, this is a worthy investment that gives some of its pricier competitors, like Sonos, a run for their money. If Amazon's not your jam and your team Google all the way, then the Google Nest Audio has your name written all over it. This is the best smart speaker that Google itself has manufactured, and let me tell you, it's a Google Assistant virtuoso. What sets it apart? Its responsiveness. This speaker has a knack for understanding your commands swiftly, making the Google Assistant experience smooth and efficient. It's also a master in smart home integration, compatible with major platforms like Nest, Philips, and Samsung's SmartThings. Just note, no built-in Zigbee hub here, so you may need additional hardware for some smart home setups. Now let's talk sound. For your mainstream pop hits, it delivers just fine, but if you're into more complex genres, the audio might lack that sparkle you're looking for. It's not a deal breaker by any means, but audiophiles might find the treble and mids a bit underwhelming. Overall, if you're looking for a speaker that is as smart as it is functional, with an unassuming design that blends seamlessly into any home decor, the Google Nest Audio might be your ideal pick. Alright, Apple fans, gather around, because the HomePod Mini is here to keep the legacy of Apple's smart speakers alive and kicking. For a device its size, the HomePod Mini delivers sound that can only be described as robust. If you're already well ensconced in the Apple ecosystem, this speaker will be like the cherry on top of your apple-flavored cake. Let's get real, Siri might not win any Digital Assistant of the Year awards, but when it comes to the actual sound quality, the HomePod Mini doesn't skimp. The bass is just right, vocals are crisp, and if you're feeling adventurous, pair 2 minis for an immersive stereo experience. The downside? Siri still struggles with accents and can be a bit buggy. Also, you better have Apple Music, because this speaker gives the cold shoulder to Spotify unless you're willing to go the AirPlay route. In summary, the HomePod Mini offers a lot of bang for your buck, especially if you're living in Apple land. But be aware, your smart home device compatibility is going to be more limited compared to the Echo or Google Nest. Feast your ears and eyes on the Sonos Era 300. This isn't just a speaker, it's a statement. Sporting a unique, cinched hourglass shape, this device is for those who like their tech to be as chic as it is functional. Now, let's talk features. This speaker supports both Amazon Alexa and Sonos' own voice control, although it's worth noting Google Assistant is notably absent due to some technical mumbo-jumbo. When it comes to sound, the Era 300 is like the Swiss Army knife of audio. It's got something for everyone. Whether you're cranking up some hip-hop or settling in with a cinematic score, this speaker handles it all gracefully. Plus, its spatial audio capabilities take the listening experience to a whole new level. The catch? It's on the pricier side, and for some inexplicable reason, you have to shell out extra for a wired connector. In essence, the Sonos Era 300 is for those who seek cutting-edge features and are willing to pay the premium for top-notch audio performance. It's not just a smart speaker, it's an experience. And now the quintessential smart speaker for the budget-conscious yet tech-savvy individual, the Amazon Echo Dot 5th generation. This little puck has gone from asking basic trivia questions to being more skilled than a Swiss Army knife. Alexa, Amazon's renowned voice assistant, has undergone a serious glow-up. She's not just telling you the weather, she's basically a conversational virtuoso at this point. But let's talk sound quality. This isn't your granddad's transistor radio. The Echo Dot boasts a 44mm front-firing speaker that really fills the room. Considering its small size and even smaller price, the audio capabilities are kind of like finding a $20 bill in an old coat. Pleasantly surprising. It's versatile, it's punchy, and it offers something for everyone. Just don't expect it to outclass high-end models. So if you're looking for a smart speaker that offers a galaxy of features without emptying your wallet, the Echo Dot is like that reliable friend who always shows up, rain or shine. It's a package deal, and for many, it'll be more than enough. Last but not least, the crème de la crème, the pièce de résistance, the Sonos One. This is the smart speaker for audiophiles who won't compromise on sound quality. With a sleek design and an array of features that can make even the most skeptical tech aficionado weak in the knees, this device is the full package. For those of you with commitment issues, fear not. The Sonos One plays well with others. It's compatible with both Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can swing either way in the digital assistant debate. It even chats with Siri via AirPlay 2, making it the most sociable speaker in our list. Sound-wise, the Sonos One has got it where it counts. Whether you're jamming to some classic rock or chilling to some ambient tunes, this speaker has you covered. Its mic array is so good it'll hear you even when you're talking from the next room, or perhaps even the next state if we're exaggerating a bit. All in all, if you're looking for a smart speaker that checks almost every box, the Sonos One is the masterpiece you've been waiting for. Well, folks, that wraps up our deep dive into the world of smart speakers for 2023. Whether you're a budget shopper or an audiophile with discerning taste, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget to check the description for links to these amazing devices. Smash that like button, subscribe, and as always, keep it smart.